Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sade and we are back with another video. And so for today's video we are going to be doing this eye look here. I was inspired by like the colors, sunflowers, you know, it's springtime even though we're in quarantine, in the house, not going nowhere. You know, it's spring somewhere, okay? So if you are excited to see how I got this look, then make sure to keep on watching. But before we get into it, ma'am, if you are not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Might as well go and hit that subscribe button right now. Also hit that bell so you get notified when I upload. You know, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, show some love, and yeah, we'll get straight into it. And today I used the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. I haven't used this in a while, so thought I would give it a try. But for today's look, we're gonna be going in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place like eyeshadows, like period. Like their eyeshadows are bomb, and literally this is the only palette that I use on my eyes. So, and y'all, this look is just so easy. Like it's definitely 100% beginner friendly, all that kind of stuff. So first I'm going to take this large eyeshadow brush and we're going to go in with the brown shade first. And I'm going to be looking at my mirror, coming up a little closer, and so we're just going to put that and stamp that on the lid. Now with this, I'm pretty much going to outline, like if I was cutting my crease, I'm going to just do a nice circle. And it doesn't have to be too perfect because we're going to be doing a lot of blending with the other colors as well. Okay, so I know it looks crazy, but you know what? It's a process. It is a process. So next I'm going to take this blending brush. This is just the e.l.f. blending eye brush. And we're going to go into that orange. So when blending this orange, I'm going to tap into that. Tap off any excess. And we are going to just blend out that brown with the orange. And we're only doing this like on the edges, just so we don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. And with the orange, it's really important depending on how you're trying to go for the look, because me personally with this look, I really want the yellow to be the more prominent color. Like the yellow is like the boom, the main attraction, all that kind of stuff. So if you are going for the same look, then make sure to keep the orange pretty low with that brown. Alright, so next I'm going to take, this is the Luxie mini tapered 121 brush. It's like a really small blending brush, and we're going to go into that yellow, tap off any excess, and first we're just going to stamp that yellow in just to kind of build up the yellow, because I wanted the yellow to be very bright. And we're placing that yellow right in between, like where the orange ends. So the blank canvas, that's where we're adding the yellow. So it's like a nice gradient, you know, a nice little sunflower moment. Okay, so after you're done with that, I know it looks kind of crazy, so I'm going to go back in with the orange to kind of build up that orange just a little bit and to just have it all blend seamlessly together. And then I'm just going to tap a little bit of that brown just so it's a little bit darker. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I'm going to do my liner, mascara, lashes, and then my face, and then we'll get back with the lower lash line and do that all together. And yeah, we'll just be right back. All right, so we got our face done, lashes on, liner on, and we are looking cute so far. Now you could, if you wanted to, if you were into it, you could just leave the eyes like this and leave the lower lash blank. I personally love a lower lash, gotta have a lower lash, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. So first things first, I am going to go in with the LA Girl gel liner or glide liner, and this is in the brown, and we're gonna put that in our waterline. And just adding that brown just really like intensifies the eyes, I think. Okay, next I'm gonna take this really small fine brush. This is the Alamar Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a name, but it's like a flat brush, and we're gonna first go in with that brown, and we're gonna go right up to our waterline and just kind of press it. I don't want to bring the brown too far down. The brown is there, but it's not the star of the show. So I'm just kind of lightly putting that brown on and just kind of going in with like a stamping motion. All right, so after that brown, I am gonna go in with this Luxie 111 mini flat angle brush. Looks like this. And I'm gonna take that orange and blend that brown out. Again, not bringing it too low because we do want to add that yellow as well. And the yellow is that pop, you know, the star of the show. So don't go too crazy. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques. This is the smudge brush. It looks like this. And we're going to take that yellow and really blend that lower lash line out. And I'm also going to take it and kind of connect the yellow to like what we already did at the top. So it's all like one. Okay, last but not least, I'm just going to take my highlighter, which today my highlighter was the Pretty Vulgar in Shimmering Swan. And I am just gonna take a small pencil brush and put that in my inner corner. Yes, so this is the final look. I really love how this just turned out and just love the whole vibe of the look. I was just inspired by the colors and thought of a sunflower, and I was like, oh my god, what if I did it on my eyes? And your girl did that, okay? So if you like this video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also comment down below any video suggestions that you guys might have. Y'all want more tutorials, story times, you know what, just let me know in the comments down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so that you get notified, you know, when I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.